are discussing type 4. So type 4 is what? Integration of sine power mx into dx, comma, integration of cos power nx dx, comma, sine power mx into cos power nx dx. So these three integration we are discussing here, where m comma n belongs to positive integer. Okay, so when m comma n belongs to positive integer, then how to integrate this one? Okay, in this one we will discuss two cases. Case 1. Case 1 is what? If in this integration m is odd, in this integration n is odd, and in this one, out of m and n, at least one of them is odd integer. Then how to integrate? Here, if m is odd, then what you will do, for this one what you will do, if m is odd, then cos x we will take t. In this one, if n is odd, then for this one what you will do, sin x we will take as t. And here, if m is odd, then cos x we will take t. Or if n is odd, then we will take sin x as t. And if both are odd, m and n both are odd, then anyone we can take as what? T. We can take sin x also t, and we can take cos x also t. After that, what we will do, we will convert everything in terms of t. So here we are taking one example. Example is integration of sine power 5x dx. So here we can see this integration what? Same only. So here m is what? 5. So m is what? Odd. If m is odd, then what you will do, we will take cos x as what? T. Then cos x differentiation what will come? Minus sin x. Then x differentiation dx equal to what will come? Dt. Then this integration how to write? So what you will do, integration of sine power 5x. So this one we can write sine power 4x into sin x into dx. So this one we can write sine power 4x into sin x into dx. Now what you will do, sine power 4x we have to convert in terms of cos. So we know sine square x is what? 1 minus cos square x. So this formula we will apply here. So this will come out integration of sine power 4x we can write sine square x whole square, and sine square we can write this one. So this will come out 1 minus cos square x whole square sin x dx. Okay, so we assume cos x as what? T. So this integration what will come? Integration of, here what will come? 1 minus cos x is what? T. So 1 minus t square whole square and sin x dx. So from here sin x dx is what? Minus you can take this side, so minus dt. This will come. So minus we can take outside, integration of 1 minus t square whole square. If you expand this one, what will come here? 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square dt. This will come. Now you can integrate this one. So what will come here? Minus integration of 1 is what? T, plus integration of t power 4 is what? T power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 integration of t square is what? T cube divided by 3 plus c. This will come. Now here what you will do, we will put t value. So what we assume? T? Cos x. So we will put here cos x. So what will come here? Minus cos x plus cos x to the whole power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 times cos power 3x divided by 3 plus c. This is your answer. So like that we have to solve. Next example is integration of sine power 4x into cos power 5x dx. So you can see that here power is what? Even, and this one power is odd. If this one power is odd, then what we will take? Sin x we will take t. So here what we will do? Sin x we will take t. Okay. Then sin x differentiation what will come? Cos x. X differentiation dx equal to dt. This will come. Then everything we have to convert in terms of t. So for that what you will do? Sin power 4x as it is. Cos power 5x we can write as what? Cos power 4x into cos x dx. And here cos power 4x we have to convert in terms of sine. So for this one what you will do? Integration of sin power 4x. Cos power 4x we can write as what? 1 minus sin square x whole square cos x dx. Now here sin x is t and cos x dx will be dt. So this will become what? Integration of t power 4 into 1 minus t square whole square cos x dx is what? Dt. Now we will expand this one. So what will come here? Integration of t power 4 1 minus t square whole square. This one we can add what? 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square into dt. This will come. So this one we can add what? Integration of t power 4 plus t power 8 minus 2 times t power 6 dt. So this one we can write as what? T power 5 divided by 5 plus this one integration what will come? T power 9 divided by 9 minus 2 times this one integration what will come? T power 7 divided by 7 plus c. Now t value is what? Sin x. So what will come here? Sin power 5x divided by 5 plus sin power 9x divided by 9 minus 2 times sin power 7x divided by 7 plus c. This is your answer. So like that we have to solve.